Vibrational astrology is this idea that there are lots of aspects in the chart. So we're all familiar with the square and the trine and sextile. And a lot of us have heard about the minor aspects like the quintiles, which is like 72 degrees, and the septiles and biseptiles, all these minor aspects. And what I found out in the 1970s and have continued to discover is they're not minor. They are major. So we live in this beautiful, intricate tapestry. You know, you can think of like a Middle Eastern mosaic, or when you were a kid and you had a kaleidoscope. Or also if you're in meditation and you go into the silence, if you just hold your palms up and you start to feel this swirling, beautiful energy all around you. Or in the world of physics, they talk about how right now in your room there are radio waves of all these different stations, and you don't hear them until you turn the radio on and pick them up. We live in an ocean of vibrations, and astrology is the same way. So there's this intricate tapestry, and over the decades we have figured out how to unravel the tapestry. Because when you first find out there's this tapestry of energies, you go, oh my God, keep it simple. This is going to overwhelm me. You're going to drive me crazy. But we figured out how there's really simple things going on in it. So answer to the question, vibrational astrology, because it opens the door to a whole new level of understanding.